Hello, Shalom Aleichem. Welcome back for another lesson, Hebrew Numbers, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we will be covering multiples of 10. Okay, so again, we have our chart, Arabic numerals on our right, and the Hebrew numerals on the left. Here, the masculine and feminine for the multiples of 10, we treat a little bit differently. They will always be masculine. Okay, so the number 10 we've already had. It's Eser in the masculine and Asara in feminine, and it is written as a Yud. 20, Esrim, and it is written as a Chaf. So Esrim is just S. If you look at it, it's just Eser, plural. So it's really literally it means tens, and the smallest amount of tens you can have is 2 tens, which is 20. So Esrim just means 20. Okay, 30, Shloshim, and that is Lamed. Okay, 40, Arbaim, and that is written as Mem in the Hebrew numerals. Okay, 50, Chamishim, and that is written as a Nun in the Hebrew numerals. Okay, going further, 60, Shishim, and that is written as a Samech. 70, Shivim, that is written as an Ein. 80, Shmonim, that is written as a Peh. 90, Tishim, that is written as a Tzadi. Okay, and to break the pattern a little bit, we now have 100. 100 is Mea, and that is written as a Kuf. And 200 is Mataim. Again, Mea, this just means hundreds, and the smallest amount of hundreds that you can have is 200. So Mataim just means 200, and that is written as a Resh. 300, Shalosh Me'ot, 300s. Shalosh, 3 Me'ot, hundreds, and that is written as a Shin. Okay, 400, Arba Me'ot, 4 Arba Me'ot, hundreds, 400s, and that is written as a Tav. Okay, 500 is written Chamesh Me'ot, 5 Me'ot, hundreds, Chamesh Me'ot, 500s. And there is differences in how we write this. So the more traditional way, which you might see in books as page numbers or whatnot in religious books, it will be written as kind of put it together. Tuf is 400 plus Kuf is 100. Kuf, Tuf, Kuf, and Tuf 400 plus 100 equals 500. Okay, kind of like a Roman numeral-esque, we just kind of pile the numbers in, pile the letters together. Or a slightly more modern way of writing it. This is more for the Israeli crowd, not the religious Jewish public. You will see the Chaf Sofit used as a 500. Okay. Typically, you will Arabic numerals are used in Israel for most daily life. These are used in religious life, also whenever, kind of like how we use Roman numerals in the United States. More of a classical stylistic choice. Okay, fine. So we have two options. This would be probably the more traditional option, and this would be more for the modern Israeli public. But you'll see both. In many instances, you won't even see that. You'll see just the Arabic numeral written. In fact, in most instances, you'll just see the Arabic numeral. Okay, now we go back to another. I'm going to skip all these because we're just counting hundreds. So you know your numbers already. You can go ahead and count the hundreds. Up to 900. And then we have 1,000. 1,000 is another word, elef. And that is written as an aleph with a little strike, a little apostrophe there. Okay, and in the same pattern like we had with esrim and 20 and matayim 200, we have so too here we have alpaim, meaning 2,000. Elef is 1,000. Alpaim is thousands. The smallest amount of thousands that you can have is 2,000. Therefore, alpaim equals 2,000. And that is written as a bet with a little dash. Okay, and then from there, we, much like with the hundreds, we start counting thousands. Okay, so for the sake of brevity, we'll leave it at that. And then we will cover another facet of this in the next lesson. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed. Keep learning. Kol Tov V'Tzlacha Rabba.